Hey, how's it going? Michael Cruz here, and chances are you're looking to know how to make more money. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make more money on the internet and how you can do it from the comfort of your home or from anywhere in the world. So stay tuned. So here are the three things you need to make more money, especially on the internet. So the first thing you need traffic. And traffic, is basically eyeballs, people searching for solutions on the internet. Kind of like when you go to Google, you search for how to make more money. You found me. So basically this is what traffic is. It's just a whole bunch of people on the internet searching for solutions to their problems, right? So then after you get traffic, then you're gonna need a system. If traffic means nothing, you're gonna have a high converted system, which is gonna do the telling and selling on your behalf. And this is how I'm able to make money from the comfort of my home, or while I'm sleeping, or while I'm on vacation. Is because I have a system in place that allows me to do that, to take breaks, because the system is gonna be online 24/7, generating you income, right? And then the third thing you need is a value ladder. You need something to offer. You need products. Just like when you go to McDonald's, you have different types of products out there, to buy. So that's what you're gonna need, to make more money on the internet. So those are the three things. And in case you wonder if I was always this successful, I wasn't always. I was working in a 9-to-5 job that was really draining my life force, to the point that all I did was went home to sleep and didn't have time to spend quality time with my wife and with my loved ones. So I found the solution to the problem, and the solution is basically those three things I just laid out to you. So you need traffic, you need a high converting system, and you need a value ladder, which is pretty much different products to offer people that solves the problem. All right, so there you have it. Those are the three things. If you want to make more money with no previous experience required, without having to be techie, without having to chase families and friends, and even without having to leave your home, go ahead and click the link below this video and access the free trainings. It's a 10-minute video that I'm giving you access to, and it's going to show you exactly what to do to start making money, today, or start making as much money as you want using the internet. Thank you, my friend, for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.